What I knew about chiropractic was very little, and what I'd heard about chiropractic, it was uninformed. So I would say I was very uninformed. So I didn't understand about the nerves. It was a real reframing for me of the body and healing. It's not what I've experienced as medicine, which is the white coat and literally write a prescription or go to the lab or go to the x-ray and you never hear from them. And it's like, well, I'm not any better. Should I be doing something else? That it doesn't work, and that's the thing. This does work. This is like another human being is helping adjust your body back to how it's meant to be. What I was hoping for is to find some relief and pain reduction. The results that I'm experiencing now are nothing short of amazing to me. I can walk again. I literally stopped walking around the lake, stopped exercising, stopped doing everything because it was just too painful. And then the progression of results have continued, of positive results. The image that I'm pointing at here with the red was when I came in, and that's nerve root irritation, which translated to pain for me. And now, as of just today, on the left, is the improvements. You see all the green, no red at all. One of the most amazing things that this has freed me to do is to let go of the prescription medication, the pain medication. When I came in, I took a photograph of my pyramid of prescription medication for the pain, and I had 9 medications. I was taking 9 medications, and I'm down to 1/2 dose of one of the medications out of those 9. I think part of what I noticed changing in me is an awareness, more awareness that I have this creative side that I hadn't acknowledged before, that had popped up in different tiny ways, but now I'm aware of, and I'm embracing my creative side. I'm not finding the reasons not to. Like, the reasons not to are falling away because I'm moving towards being pain-free. More is possible, and so anything is possible, and so it's pretty much everything.